Geek. So if you're going to be traveling, especially if you're going to be international traveling, probably one of the most important things is what you're carrying. In this case, your bag. So at least for me, I decided to do the whole one bag travel thing. And this is basically an awesome thing to do, because with one bag travel, you don't have to worry about checking in, checking out. It's really easy for you to get in and out. And at the same time, it really teaches you to focus on the things that are really important as you are traveling, especially international travel. Now, when you are looking for a one bag travel, then you are going to have to look at a lot of things. You're going to have to look at the size of it, the various features like how many pockets, does it have waterproofing, the zippers, is there a place for your laptop, and then also obviously the price is super important as well. But there is one feature that I think that you might not be thinking of that I think is really important, and that's basically if you're just walking around traveling, you know, like just exploring the cities or wherever you're at, can you just take this one bag travel by yourself? Now, if you are in a situation where you have an everyday carry, that's great, you have a smaller bag. But in this situation, I could actually compress this bag and carry it around like a backpack. And the practical importance of this, it's pretty big. You know, whenever you have a bag, obviously you could carry a lot of things. But in this case, say for example, I'm traveling and I wanted to do some shopping, right? And I don't want to carry around shopping bags everywhere. So having something like this, and this is like around a 35 liter. It says 40, but it's around 35. I could carry quite a bit of things in here as I'm shopping. So that is a practical feature that you might not be thinking of. It's kind of hidden until you actually go out there in the world and start traveling with one bag. And so that's something that I think it's really practical, but very important as well. And so those are just some of the things that I want you to think about besides all the main features. Thinking about this feature where you can use it in multiple situations and have it as a backpack as you're going around, and being able to compress it will make it a lot smaller. So if you actually have any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.